Convert numpy array to tuple. Note, this is asking for the reverse of the usual tuple to array conversion. I have to pass an argument to a wrapped C++ function as a nested tuple. For example, the following works, whereas the following do not. Unfortunately, the argument I would like to use comes to me as a numpy array. That array always has dimensions 2xn for some n, which may be quite large. Is there an easy way to convert that to a tuple? I know that I could just loop through, creating a new tuple, but would prefer if there's some nice access the numpy array provides. If it's not possible to do this as nicely as I hope, what's the prettiest way to do it by looping, or whatever?
Here's a function that'll do it. And an example. I was not satisfied, so I finally used this. I don't know if it's quicker, but it looks more effective. Smile.
Another option. If you are passing numpy arrays to C++ functions, you may also wish to look at using Python or Swig.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.